very old, ancient. Be careful, that clock is very old. Be careful, that clock is ancient. Very poor, broke. Her family was very poor and didn't own a computer. Her family was broke and didn't own a computer. Very pretty, stunning. Your daughter is very pretty. Your daughter is stunning. Very sad, upset. They'd had an argument and he was still very sad about it. They'd had an argument and he was still upset about it. Very rich, wealthy. Oliver's parents are very rich. Oliver's parents are wealthy. Very dangerous, hazardous. Heavy rain is causing very dangerous driving conditions. Heavy rain is causing hazardous driving conditions. Very cute, adorable. His baby brother is really very cute. His baby brother is really adorable. Very busy, occupied. Mom was very busy in the kitchen. Mom was occupied in the kitchen. Very angry, furious. He's still very angry about the way things turned out. He's still furious about the way things turned out. Very painful, tender. The glands in my neck feel very painful. The glands in my neck feel tender. Very often, frequently. The buses run less very often on Sundays. The buses run less frequently on Sundays. Very small, tiny. His body was covered in very small red spots. His body was covered in tiny red spots. Very noisy, deafening. The sirens were very noisy. The sirens were deafening. Very quick, rapid. I tried to catch him, but he was very quick for me. I tried to catch him, but he was rapid for me. Very bad, terrible. Our holiday was spoiled by very bad weather. Our holiday was spoiled by terrible weather. Very large, huge. They have a very large house in the town. They have a huge house in the town. Very boring, tedious. The movie was very boring. I fell asleep. The movie was tedious. I fell asleep. Very careful, cautious. He is a very careful driver. He is a cautious driver. Very clean, spotless. He was wearing a very clean white shirt. He was wearing a spotless white shirt. Very cold, freezing. It's absolutely very cold in here. It's absolutely freezing in here. Very easy, uncomplicated. He looked through the test trying to find a very easy question. He looked through the test trying to find an uncomplicated question. Very excited, thrilled. The children were very excited to go to the zoo. The children were thrilled to go to the zoo. Very good, amazing. I've just had some very good news. I've just had some amazing news. Very happy, cheerful. She's always very happy. She's always cheerful.